Hallo, Smisha Linda. My name's Linda, and I'm going to be reading you a story, a Gaelic story, shortly. Our story today has lots of movements and actions in it, so we better learn these first. Indoshach. Firstly, try this one. Suas. Reach up. Suas. Suas. Can you say suas? Suas. And shias. Bend down. Shias. 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 Gleva. The next one. Búil dolávin. Búil dolávin. Again. Búil dolávin. Gleva. The next one we have rui. Rui. That means run. Rui. And again, rui. Gleva. The next one is lame. Lame. Lame means jump. Lame. 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 Shine. Shine means sing. Shine. La 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 la. Shine. La 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 la. Shine. La 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 la. Gleva. Very good. The next one is Seachdain. Seachdain. Seachdain means to turn. Seachdain. Seachdain. And the last movement for today is daus. Daus means dance. Daus. Daus. Gleva. Very good. Let's read our story together. Our story today is called Gach, Rabaid, daus. We just learnt what daus meant. Dance. Gach, Rabaid, every rabbit. Rabaid, a rabbit. Gach, Rabaid, daus. Can you daus? Gleva. Nobody's watching. This is our chance. Rabaid, ready, steady. Every rabbit, Gach, Rabaid, daus. Can you daus too? Gleva. Now, búil dolávin. Búil dolávin. Clap your hands. Cúd car san riile. Seachdain. Seachdain. Hod crag mageth diripple. Shake your tail, just like the rabbit. And Seachdain galore. Again, Seachdain. Seachdain. Gach, Rabaid, cluich. Cluich means to play, or play something. Now you could be playing an instrument, or you could be playing a sport. Cluich. What is a rabbit doing here? Cluich yn drumme, the drum. Cluich na fiole, the fiddle. Lots of different instruments. Cluich. Gach, Rabaid, shine. Can you remember what shine meant? Sing. La 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 la. Shine. La 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 la. One more time. Shine. La 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 la. Gleva. Very good. Oh, look at them all singing. He horos na horo, it fa la la lo fa lio. All the rabbits are a shine. Oh, here comes somebody else. A Sgeulachd. Sgeulachd. Oh. Gach, Rabaid, every rabbit, ree! Run! Ree! As fast as you can. Hide in the bushes. Shh. Don't take a breath fuse. Don't move. There's a Sgeulachd coming after us. Oh. But then when they look, the Sgeulachd is a dowse. What did dowse mean? Dance. He is a dowse, dancing. Gàidhlig. Up on his tiptoes. He is a dowse and a Seachdain. Seachdain. Oh. And he is a cloich clarinet. A cloich playing a clarinet. Oh, Sgeulachd. Sgeulachd looks bronach sad. His head is down. He's lonely. He's got a tear in his soul. Gach, Rabaid, búil the wafan, búil the spoken, clapping. We're all happy. Táilíochta, everybody together. Oh, a shine, la 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 la, singing. Agus a cloich and playing. Oh, a lame is a dowse Gàidhlig dancing together. Sgeulachd, le chéile a mui. Everybody together, having fun. Everybody a dowse, dancing. Well, I hope you enjoyed our story today and all our different movements. I hope you'll get a chance to dowse more this week. Rabaid, thank you for being with me today for our story. I hope to see you again soon. Cheerie!